YouTube just announced 11 new features that changed literally everything for creators. Some of these are so good, I can't believe it took YouTube this long for them to roll them out. So today, I'm gonna break down all 11 and show you exactly how you should be using them. First, update number 1 is collaborations. The collaborations feature is absolutely game-changing. Now, you're able to add up to 5 collaborators on a video, with 1 being specified as the host. This makes it really easy for viewers to subscribe to any or all of the collaborators on a video without them having to leave the page. The way this works is when you upload a video, you'll set a channel as the host, probably whoever the main creator is, and then you'll go ahead and add your collaborators. Then, what's really cool about this is YouTube recommends your video to eligible audiences across every single channel, and it shows up in each channel subscription feed. Now, it's really important to note, YouTube is never going to recommend a video to a viewer that isn't going to watch it. But for the most part, when you're collaborating with other channels, chances are your audiences are going to have either a lot of overlap or be pretty similar. So this is a great way to easily expand your reach without messing up your audience. Whoever the host is will also end up getting all views, watch time, and AdSense associated with the video, and they can optionally share analytics with any of the collaborators. Large creators are already using this feature, collaborating posts to their podcast channels, clips channels, whatever it might be. This just makes so much sense, and I can't believe YouTube didn't roll this out earlier. So let me know how you're going to use it. Now, moving on to update number 2. YouTube now lets you A/B test up to 3 titles and 3 thumbnails at once. This not only means you can test 3 thumbnails with the same title, but you could also test 3 titles with the same thumbnail, 2 titles with 3 different thumbnails, 3 different titles with 3 different thumbnails, or any combination. YouTube will test what you want to test and then determine a statistically significant winner to avoid any sort of false positive from the data. Basically, YouTube's going to test your titles and thumbnails as much as they need to determine which one's the best. The way I've personally been using this feature, and YouTube themselves have advised you to use it, is to always test big differences in your titles and thumbnails. You're probably not going to see much of a difference if you're changing a short color or a word in the title, unless your channel's, really, really big. So always go for different thumbnail concepts, drastically different titles, and see what happens. This absolutely changes the game because you no longer have to just guess when it comes to different titles and thumbnails, and it gives you the best, most data-driven results that can ultimately just blow up your channel quicker. From my experience, I also tend to disagree with YouTube a little bit though when it comes to just letting their tests play out. I personally value speed, and I've had videos I've worked on blow up where I'm setting a winner before the test is actually finished. Usually I look for 7% or more difference in the title and thumbnail watch time to basically set it as the winner. Update number 3, YouTube now has an AI that can analyze your channel for you. It's so cool. Meet Ask Studio. It's an AI that's now embedded inside of YouTube Studio, and you can ask it really any question you want. For example, why did my last video not perform well? What do my viewers want more of? Which of my last videos gained me the most subscribers? In the past, I've had to spend hours crafting these big spreadsheets and complex data models to figure things out, but now I don't have to do that anymore. This could take me like 5 seconds just asking this AI what I need to do, and it's going to give me an accurate answer. YouTube's Ask Studio AI understands comments, viewer patterns, what works on YouTube and what doesn't work on YouTube, and whatever context is necessary to understand how a video performed, making its recommendations honestly feel really human and very actionable. I've already been using this, and I definitely think you should too. What's even better is analytics or metrics that might feel misleading to a human. For example, high CTR on a video that's performing poorly will be interpreted by Ask Studio, and it's able to kind of cut into those differences and make sure that it's giving you, again, the most accurate and most human recommendation possible. It's so helpful. If I were you, I would be asking Ask Studio questions almost every single day. It can never hurt you to understand more about your channel, and you might learn some things that you never even thought to think about. Update number 4, YouTube Now. This is crazy. YouTube just changed sponsorships forever. With the new dynamic brand segments feature, this actually changes everything for creators, especially those who want to go full time. Because now you could have 2 sponsors on the same video. Maybe sponsor A stays up for the first week, and then after that week, you swap it out with sponsor B, who maybe pays you a little bit less. Or with the holidays coming up, maybe you want to swap in a Christmas themed ad. Who knows? The possibilities are honestly endless, and I can't believe YouTube didn't do this sooner. My recommendation is to create modular sponsored segments that you can swap in and out of videos to give you the most flexibility and freedom over time. Update number 5. YouTube can now auto-generate shorts from your long-form videos. With this new feature, YouTube takes your long-form transcript and will automatically identify the best moments and highlights of the video to turn them into shorts. Then you, as the creator, can manually set the start and end points to add some polish to the shorts before you publish them. This update is honestly so awesome because it eliminates the need for an editing software and can make your channel get more views without you doing any extra work. If you look at most channels with over 100,000 and even 1 million subscribers, they're all using not just long form videos, but also shorts to get more views. So I think it's a no-brainer to be using this feature. Updates 6 through 9, YouTube just dropped 4 new major live streaming updates that completely changed how creators go live. YouTube's new cross-format live feature allows you to not only stream horizontally, but also turn it into a vertical stream and do both at the same time, using one chat, one link, and eventually one stream archive. Your horizontal version will appear in your subscription feeds and on the YouTube homepage, while the vertical version will appear in Shorts feeds, which is insane because it gives you now the ability to reach way more people than you did before with your live streams. React Live is the second new change to live streaming on YouTube, and it allows you to either react to your own videos or other people's videos live, creating a new sense of community and live streaming format. Practice mode is the third new change, and it allows you to practice going live before you actually do it. Practice mode simulates a full live stream with a fake chat so that you can warm up before you actually go live. And finally, public to members live allows creators to initially go public, build hype, and then turn the stream into a members only stream to encourage more viewers to become members. All 4 of these features are so cool. I'm so glad YouTube added these, and if you live stream, you should definitely be using them. Update number 10. YouTube just changed short sponsorships forever. Now, if you're making a short that has a sponsor, you can request approval from YouTube for a verified link on your short for the sponsor. This prevents unsafe links and scams being brought onto the platform, which not only makes viewers feel better, but also makes brands feel better about sponsoring YouTube Shorts. Now that it's easier to click their link, sponsorship opportunities on YouTube Shorts for creators are going to increase exponentially, and you'll probably make more money if you're making shorts now, which is awesome. Finally, update number 11 is YouTube's new shopping tools. YouTube is simplifying product tagging with automatic timestamps and intelligent tagging. Now, YouTube is able to auto-detect when products pop up in your video to automatically tag them. If you're in a niche with a lot of product showcases like tech, lifestyle, or beauty, this is perfect for you. You no longer have to scrub through your super long video and tag these products manually. If tagging products is something you're doing a lot as a creator, I would recommend enabling auto tagging right now. And that's all 11 new updates. Let me know in the comments how you're going to be using these updates, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll be answering.